Hi, it's me, Yvonne again. I'm back, mainly because Robert forgot to cancel his subscription to the website that makes these videos. Today, we're going to talk about another method of getting paid. As a translator, you know you can get paid by agencies as well as end clients. But can you get paid by other translators? Well, since I'm making this video, assume you can. Let's get into how it works. Too many translators see other translators as competitors, and while acting friendly, tend to keep them at arm's length. But this could be very bad business. I will illustrate with an example that happened to Robert. He was contacted to perform a technical translation, and after receiving the details and glossaries, realized he wasn't the right person for the job. However, he did know a translator specializing in the topic at hand, which was photovoltaic panels, in case you're curious. So he contacted the other translator, and during the email exchange, the other translator brought up commission. On a whim, Robert suggested a 10% commission, which the translator accepted. Since this was a pretty big job, Robert got to see several €100 enter his account for the next 5 months, simply for referring someone. Cool beans. So why is this a good deal? Well, it benefits the end client since they get the best person for the job. It also benefits the translator, who gets a job they otherwise wouldn't get. And finally, it benefits you since you get paid a commission for referral. So all parties are happy. If I could show a happy face now I would, but I don't think this program allows that. Of course, there are several things to keep in mind. First of all, you need to trust both parties, the referral and the person you're referring to. If either of them does a bad job or disappears or does anything else bad, you will be blamed. This is why it's important to have a good network. Secondly, do not make this your main business model. If you just accept jobs knowing you will refer them to someone else, it will be obvious, and people will think you're a middleman who just costs them money. So how do you prepare for this? My recommendation is to, as I mentioned before, get a good network of translators in similar fields as your own. And then, if you feel comfortable, you can contact them ahead of time and ask them if they are willing to set up a referral agreement. It can be informal at first, and you can see how it goes. What are your thoughts? Have you tried this before? Will you try it? I have encountered this a number of times since I've been running my agency, but I hardly ever hear about it among translators. So why not try it out? On that note, as Robert would say if he were here, sauve doom. And please tell Robert to stop messing around with these backgrounds. Thank you.